Hi there, and welcome to my YouTube channel. My name's Richard, and this is the fourth video in the playlist number 21, and this video is about using the HUD. And the first thing I want to show you is this. This is my revised definition of all the keyboard and joystick settings. And so I'm going to be referring to this during the video, so I suggest you pause, get a screenshot of this, and then I'm going to continue. Okay, hope you're done. So now, the HUD, or heads-up display, is something that looks like this, and that's in the dim mode. If you hit the O key, so letter O, you can see it's now brighter and a little easier to read. Okay. You can see my heading down here has a little bug on it, and I'm going to move the bug with the Z key. Right there's the bug. Okay. And so I'm going to move that bug until it's right on the heading that I'm on. So my heading says 046. This is obviously a compass rose. And so now my little bug is there. So I'm going to undo the brakes here a little bit. Okay. And I'll turn. So now you can see that the bug stays put, but the heading changes. And so the bug gives you a way to turn to a heading that you want. So like if I wanted to move the bug over here to I'll say 030. So the heading's on 030. I'm going to release the brakes and turn to a heading of 030. Okay, and there I turn to heading 030. Better hit the brakes or I run off the runway, huh? Okay, so that's what the bug does, and it's really important. Other things around here, here's your airspeed. When you're flying, you'll see, and I'll show you this in just a second. When you're flying, this shows a lot of information. You know, this is your vertical speed, and you can compare that to this right here is the vertical speed. Here's your altitude and your forward speed, or in knots, and obviously the compass, which is hard to read. This is why I like to use the bug. And so I'm going to do a quick little takeoff and pause for a minute. So let's turn off the brakes. Let's go back to our takeoff view, and we'll get going here. So as the airspeed gets up, I pull it up in the air, and I'm climbing. Okay, so I'm going to pause right here. Okay, and I'm going to turn on the HUD. So now you can see my bug isn't at the runway heading, so I'll move the bug over to the runway heading. Okay, right there, that bug just moved to the runway heading. Z key makes it go left. X key makes it go to the right or clockwise. Okay, so now you can see the vertical speed is reading something. Right here, this little symbol here shows you which wings level or whatever you're doing. Right now I'm heading 10, my nose is up 10 degrees. But when I take it off a pause, I'm going to level off, and you're going to watch this thing come down to this line. Okay? And so we got enough airspeed. I'm just going to go, we're only not very far in the air. Let me climb a little bit first. And here we go. So I'm going to climb, and I'm going to leave the power in enough So I'm climbing at 10 degrees nose high, going down the runway there, and okay, I'm coming up on 1,200 feet here. I'm going to lower the nose, and when I hold this little symbol here, you see the vertical speed really gets to 0. Oops, let me get it back up to here. Okay, so right about there. Okay, so now you can see the vertical speed is nearly 0. 20 feet a minute is not very much. Your airspeed is 51, and you can see here that I am not quite wings level. Okay, so I'm, this is wings level. I'm leaning to the right a little bit. So this HUD is very important when flying the Aerolite 103 because it's the only way to tell what heading you're going, and that's important. I hope you enjoyed this video, and thank you for watching, and there'll be a lot more videos coming up.